Sony FX3. The tiny beast that packs a cinematic punch. Meet the Sony FX3, the smallest, lightest, and most powerful full-frame cinema line camera that makes Hollywood-level filmmaking a breeze. With 4K, 120p, 10-bit, 422 recording, a mind-blowing ISO up to 409,600, and S-Cinetone for that dreamy, cinematic look, this camera is your golden ticket to professional-grade video. Whether you're a solo shooter, content creator, or aspiring filmmaker, the FX3 eliminates the need for cages and clunky setups, giving you maximum mobility and efficiency. Say goodbye to overheating issues, thanks to its built-in cooling fan that ensures uninterrupted 4K 60p recording for those long shooting days. Built to dominate in low light and dynamic range. The FX3's 10.2 MP Full-Frame Exmor R CMOS sensor isn't just good, it's legendary. With 15+ stops of dynamic range, this beast captures every detail, shadow, and highlight with razor-sharp precision. Shooting in near darkness? No problem. The ISO range stretches up to a jaw-dropping 409,600, making it one of the best low-light cameras on the planet. No grainy, unusable footage, just crisp, cinematic brilliance, even in the darkest environments. The fast hybrid autofocus, 627 phase detection points, ensures pinpoint accuracy, so you never miss the shot. Cage-free, stress-free, and ready to roll. Unlike other cameras that require bulky rigs, the FX3 is designed for ultimate portability. With 6 built-in 1/4-inch 20-thread mounting points, you can attach monitors, microphones, and recorders without needing a cage. The included top handle with XLR, TRS inputs ensures professional-grade audio, eliminating the need for external adapters. At just 1.57 pounds or 715 g, this lightweight powerhouse is perfect for handheld shooting, gimbal work, and even drones. Whether you're shooting a travel vlog, short film, or high-budget commercial, this camera delivers cinema-quality footage without the hassle of a massive rig. Save time, money and hassle, no more reshoots. The brilliance XR image processor makes the FX3 lightning fast, reducing rolling shutter and ensuring flawless 4K 120p slow-motion playback. No more choppy motion or laggy footage, just buttery smooth cinematic visuals. With CF Express Type A memory card support, file transfers are blazing fast, so you can spend more time creating and less time waiting. Professional color grading? Optional. Thanks to S-Cinetone, your footage already looks like a Hollywood masterpiece straight out of the camera, saving hours of post-production work. The ultimate investment in your filmmaking future. If you're serious about video, the FX3 is an absolute game changer. It's Sony tested, industry approved, and built to last. While other cameras struggle with overheating, poor low-light performance, and clunky designs, the FX3 stands unmatched in portability, power, and reliability. Whether you're an independent filmmaker, YouTuber, or wedding videographer, this camera revolutionizes the way you shoot. Don't settle for mediocre footage, upgrade to the Sony FX3 and bring your cinematic vision to life today.